Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Update your BIOS and GPU drivers so charging and throttling behave predictably. Once done, open the vendor battery utility and set a charge limit to 80% or 60% for maximum longevity and switch the Windows power plan to balanced. Make sure to disable perpetual high performance mode. It keeps cores hot and stresses the battery. Now plug in. Let thresholds apply and move to steady-state configuration. Next, you tackle the complex middle steps focused on heat and runtime. Start by undervolting CPU or applying a modest power limit to reduce sustained temperatures, because lower heat directly slows battery wear. Then limit GPU TDP to 70 to 80% in your vendor control panel or MSI afterburner so the discrete card doesn't pull crazy current. Once done, enable adaptive refresh or cap frame rates when unplugged to avoid unnecessary power draw. Make sure to monitor temps for a few sessions and adjust limits slowly. Finish by establishing a routine that preserves capacity over years. You should store the laptop at 40 to 60% if you won't use it for weeks, and perform a full but infrequent charge cycle monthly to keep cells balanced. Once done, schedule weekly checks of battery health via the vendor app or Windows battery report and adjust charging thresholds if capacity drops. If charging behaves oddly, reset system management controllers or reinstall the battery driver. That usually resolves calibration and recognition faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.